There's a storm coming, but we got something amazing, something beautiful. It is a older coach with a modern front end. Look at that. Wow. How low it sits to the ground. Yeah, those are satellites. Pretty much dish network. Yeah, it's kind of raining. It's obviously a VIP. So looks like this is nice. That piece of paper to cover the camera. Okay, so it is a rainy day, but we're gonna enjoy this baby real quick. They have the generator on, and it is a fully private coach. Okay. Florida Coach, luxury design and leasing. Oh no, it's not a private coach. It's a Florida Coach. Someone famous is here. It's on tour. Florida Coach Company is here. Pretty cool. There's a great storm coming, so I guess they're settling here for the night. It's getting real bad on the highway. Look at that. Look how bad it is. Yeah, it's time to stop.